Hello YouTube viewers, today I'll be showing you how to download TeamViewer. I did have it, but my computer wiped itself, so I'm going to download it at the same time as you guys. Basically just take you through the steps. First, you go to the TeamViewer website. The download link will be in the description, but you can just type in TeamViewer for free on Google. Then you click download free, and obviously you save for. Choose where you want to save it. I'll save it to my desktop, and I'll just call it set up and click save. Okay, it didn't work. We'll try it again. Save. Oh, sorry, I'll just save it. Right, now that's downloaded, you can close this down. Then now you got your thingy, your installer. You double click it, wait for it to load, then click run. And click install, next, yes. You may as well just click both of the above, it doesn't really matter. Accept the terms and conditions, click next. Just click no default, next. And then that's it. Download's done. Now we can delete this one, put that on our recycling bin. Open up TeamViewer itself, and then yeah, now you can get started. Thanks YouTube for watching. Please rate, comment and subscribe. Any problems, just message me or leave a comment in the comment section obviously. So yeah, please rate, comment and subscribe.